Bafethu, let me tell you guys a story about how King Akishing board right again, like, cause of cheating. Ishang border, like, Ishang data, bra. And I hope ivula someone amehlo, because that's what pain can do to someone, whether it's a male or female. So back then, Mengcholani singe kanje, and umdana lo mescal. I think we were still good dating phase. Good dating phase. So anyengisho ukuthi mesesjola we agreed ukuthi we are in a relationship, because there is a big difference between dating and being in a relationship. Dating ukwazana but we're already doing things ezenziwa abantu abajolayo abathandanayo. So this one time after sekangitsheli, mind you, she told me so many things about ama ex wakhe, about how bamphula inhliziyo and all those things. Mekangitshele kanje ukuthi past yakhe injani, I did not consider much. I was still young, I was still a boy. And ngadlala ngaye a few times, angikhuza ngidlala ngaye. So this one time she decided mengibshaya apply ngithanda ukuphuza i-black label, angibiza vele kibo wathi zwakala la ungithengela ama-black, ngathi mewayi-2 awuphekile lapha kamnandi and all those things. Hayi ngaphuza vele yabona sababhizi ngalala. Mengilala kanje, mind you, angikhindanga ngalala. Mengilala so mfethu wathatha ifoni yami, ngathi mesekayithayimile nepassword yefoni, wathatha ifoni yami. Mekathatha ifoni yami kanje wahlangana nezinye izinto khona lapha efonini, bra, like yo mina ngilela ngiboni nix. Lo mntwana lo wavaya wa efrijini, I'll never forget this. Wavaya wa efrijini walanda amanzi abandayo, wathatha umese, a chef knife, wathatha umese, wazwakala ngilele ngibheke phezulu, bra, wazwakala ekamereni, wabeka nomese la kimi, wangithela ngamanzi abandayo. Ngicela ungithela ngamanzi abandayo kanje, something held me down, angiphakamanga. I was supposed to actually, so mina mengizozisika grand sharp, so something held me down, bra. Ngavula amehlo, lo muntu uyavutha, uyakhala, tshela the way mina ngimenza islima ngakhona, ngithukiwe mfethu, angigcokanga, ngibheke phezulu phezu kwami lo muntu ungihleli la, yabona, angigcokanga. Manje sengicabanga nefondolo yami la ukuthi lo muntu lo uphethe umesa angayisika, bra, sengithukiwe. Ipain itsho iyakwazi ukwenzisa umuntu izinto naye angaziboni ukuthi yazenza, because ublackoutile, angimkhulumeli, angimenzeli ama-excuse, but nami ama-actions wami mfethu did contribute to her behavior, uyayibona leyo nto. So both male and female, bra, like ayikho lento leyo ukuthi kuzodlalwa ngenhliziyo zabantu mfethu, and there's not gonna be any repercussions, yabona. It's not always gonna be karma ezolanda leyo muntu. Abanye abantu mfethu hey iscroof sinokuba loss, and yithi esibayenza kanjalo, yabona.